Intense flooding forcing people to evacuate a tourist bus that was sitting on a highway in Brazil.
Whoa.
My gosh. Okay. Moments after they evacuated, you can see a huge sinkhole swallow oh my gosh.
And then it goes down the river.
Swallow the entire bus, and then it gets swept away by a raging river underneath. No one was inside that bus, we're happy to report, and no injuries.
I have never seen anything like that. We've had all sorts of sinkholes, not that big, out in LA, but I've never seen anything
I
like
think
that.
the scientific term for that would be swallowed and then spit out.
Yes.
I think there's
I
maybe a
think-
few expletives.
Look at the power of the water. We all know how
Yeah,
big a bus like that is, how heavy it is, right? Like nothing.
power
Whoop,
just
poof,
to swoop
and
it away
spits
like
it
it's a
right out
shoe.
like-
Wow.
It was nothing.
That is incredible video. We delivered on the incredible video promise right there.
Thank goodness nobody was on board.